Welcome back. In this segment, I want to cover or go into depth on document strings, which we've covered before, which is also called docstring. Just a little bit, some of the standard practice here is that the first line should always be short, concise summary of the object purpose. The second line should be blank, followed by further descriptions of what the parameters and what are the output. Much of what we actually demonstrated earlier in terms of the square function. So in this case here, you have this one short line, which is the first line, should be a short, concise summary of the object's purpose. And then the other part is actually a further description of it. So in this case, it's actually a placeholder pass. So if we define this function and we run print, in order to read the docstring, you type is myfunc dot doubles underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. Well, these are also called dunder. Okay, dunder doc dunder. So when you print it, it actually print the actual docstring. Alright, so this is another way to do it. And what you notice that there's actually a slightly different indentation. And when you actually have it straight after the triple quote versus new line break. Okay, so that's really all. When we come back, we're going to look at coding style.